Yo, what's up everybody, and welcome back to our channel One to Step, and we are back with another brand new video. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy Shein gift card. So Shein is an online clothing web store where you guys can find a lot of accessories, mostly girl dress, but you can also find boy dress. All right, now if you buy its gift card, you can use it to buy clothes on its website. All right, so let me show you guys how you guys can buy Shein gift card so you can gift it to your other friends. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for Shein gift card and click on where it says buy gift card Shein Asia. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the official website of Shein. Once you're over here, it's going to show you multiple gift cards. You can choose whichever design you want over here. All right, so let's say I want to go for this design. I click on it and I choose the amount. I go for $100 one. And over here you want to enter the email. So this is going to be a digital gift card. So it's going to be sent to the email. So you want to write the email where you want to send it. All right. So I'm going to write the email of the person where I want to send it. So after I write the email over here, I can enter from. So it's sent from me. So I'm going to write my name over here. I'm going to write my name. After I write my name, I can add a message. But if I want to leave it empty, I can leave it empty. All right. So you want to tick mark this, click on checkout securely. And on the next phase, it's going to ask you to, enter your login details. So I'm going to log in into my account over here real quick. Now, once you log in into your account, basically just tick mark this and click on checkout securely now. You have to do this process again. Just don't worry. Once you log in into your account, it's going to ask you to enter your location where you live. So after you enter the location of the place where you live, you need to choose which method of payment you want to use. After you pay for the gift card and your order is complete, the gift card is going to be sent to the email. All right. So I wrote onetostep22@gmail.com. So the gift card is going to be sent to that mail. So yeah, that's how you guys can buy gift card for yourself or for anybody in Shein. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. See you guys next time. Bye bye.